Hi there, and welcome to another Skill Tips tutorial. Today, we're back with another helpful Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow to text or an object in Photoshop. Let's start with a simple text. Select the text tool. Click anywhere on the canvas you already have open and type in a sample sentence. For example, this is a tutorial. Next, go to the layer panel and double click on the text layer. This will open the layer style window. In this window, click on Drop Shadow. Now let's go through the settings. Blend mode. Determine how the shadow blends with the background. Choose whatever suits your design. Color. Allow you to set the color of the shadow. Opacity. Adjust the transparency of the shadow. Angle controls the direction of the shadow. Use global light. When checked, it applies the same light angle, like 120, to all effects using global light. Distance sets how far the shadow is from the text. Spread controls how hard or soft the shadow edges appear. Higher values make it look bolder. Size defines how large and blurry the shadow appears. Contour shapes how the shadow fades or forms. Anti-aliased. When enabled, Photoshop smooths the edge of the shadow, especially useful for complex contours or curves. Layer knocks out drop shadow. A more advanced feature. When enabled, any transparent or cutout parts of the layer blocks the shadow behind them. When disabled, the shadow remains visible behind those parts. Reset to default. Reset all shadow setting back to the default. Now let's try adding a drop shadow to an object as well. The steps and settings are exactly the same.
In some types of contour, there is an option called noise that allows you to add a bit of noise to the shadow, giving it more texture or natural look.
Thank you so much for following our page. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest tutorials. And if you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you in the next tutorial.